the bully, bitch. They say your attitude determines your latitude. I'm high as a motherfucker, fly as a motherfucker, and still the motherfucker you love to hate, but can't because you love what I make. Now ain't that about a bitch? And I'ma talk shit until I'm out of hits. They don't wanna turn their speakers up, they claim I ain't deep enough. All that talking I feed off of, keep it up. I'm relaxing, my feet is up. I'm leaving you haters like when Shaq left the Lakers just to heat it up. I say the stats are stunt, I don't need the front. Make black history every day, I don't need a month. The survey says by the streets recording, Kanye just important as Michael Jordan was to the NBA when he was scoring. Ralph Lauren was boring before I wore him, and
we never gotta ask again how we got the world to listen. It ain't easy to pretend. I know you lost your cool, and it's funny how to laugh again. We can't stop, it's just the beginning. You ain't never gotta ask again. Baby, this is what we do.
Let me put my gloves on. Yeah, what you want? And if you're strapped, we can trade like the Dow Jones. Run him up, I hope he got his towel on. I aim at your moon and get my howl on. Some niggas cry wolf, I'm on that dry kush. And when it comes to that paper, I stack books. Yeah, you heard what I said. I could put you on your feet or put some money on your head. Life ain't cheap, you're better off dead if you can't pay the fee. Shout out my nigga B. See every motherfucker at the door don't get a key. You're outside looking in, so tell me what you see. It's about money, it's bigger than me. I told my homies don't kill him, bring the nigga to me. Yeah, don't miss, you're fucking with the hitman. Kidnap a nigga, make him feel like a kid again.
We never gotta ask again how we got the world to listen. It ain't easy to pretend. I know you lost your cool, and it's funny how to laugh again. We can't stop, it's just the beginning. You ain't never gotta ask again. Baby, this is what we do.
Now, everybody wanna be the king of the South when they ain't running the damn thing, but they mouth no doubt. It's all good, y'all just stay in y'all opinion. But in the South and in the hood, it's understood without saying it's a given. And ain't cause of what I'm doing for a living, it's more because of what I do and how I'm living. Not to mention when I'm rapping, I'm just hurting niggas feeling. Still chilling on substance and a healing. Make provisions for the clique and continue keeping it pimping. While the crack was in the house, the record sale through the ceiling. So say what you want and do what you please, but for fun, I shoot 22 from your shoe to your knee. I run a record label and a crew of G's, so niggas will come and look for you if a sneeze or even breathe the wrong way. You better do what the song say and be easy, else it'll be a long journey.